is its own exercise, but it's also how you get dumbbells up to your shoulder for anything else. Holding it, pushing it overhead. So it's important to practice this and get good at it. You're gonna take 2 dumbbells from the ground, and then as you stand up, instead of just locking out like a deadlift, you're going to get a little bit of a jumping motion. That's gonna pop the weights up to the shoulder. Sounds simple, but it's all about timing. When you get them all the way up, push the elbows forward to support that weight. So the biggest mistake I see people make here is they want to start curling the weight before they stand up. That you're going to lose all of your lower body power, and your lower body is where all your strength's at. So you might as well use it. So you want to stand up and pull before bending the arms. That's going to initiate the lift. So just don't pull too early. Wait, be patient, you'll get it.